Can isAlive be false immediately after calling start because the thread hasn't yet started? In the Python documentation at this URL, it says that isAlive returns true just before the run method starts until just after the run method terminates. But then the start method says that start arranges for the object's run method to be invoked in a separate thread of control. Does this mean if I call t.start and then immediately check t.isAlive, it's possible I could get false because the thread hasn't started yet?
It can't happen, at least not in Python's implementation. That comes from staring at the code for thread.start, here from the Python 3 source, but it doesn't matter. _start_new_thread is implemented in C, starting a new thread and running self.bootstrap inside that new thread. Self.bootstrap in turn invokes self.run. If that's all there were to it, then the invoking thread could indeed return an arbitrary amount of time before run started to execute. But at the end blocks on an internal event. The bootstrap code sets the _started event shortly before invoking run, and the state of that same event is the primary thing isAlive looks at.
If you want to simulate classical C++ scripting,